It sound like Cole should be on this shit right here, man. You should be on this beat, bro. This beat just says Dream Vip. Nigga, call me.
Says on the beat, boy.
Way you love me, you gotta be out your mind. Way you fuck me, you gotta be out your mind. Look at me like I'm really one of a kind. Is something wrong with your eyes? Are you blind? Are you high? Flaws and all. You took me in with my flaws and all. You gave me something to call a home. You gave me something to call a home. I was only This is a dream, I can't be living it. Is this a prank, somebody filming this? Is your head fine, don't feel no dizziness? You telling me not even just a little bit? 24 karat pussy, you make me rich. 24 karat pussy, I hit a lick. 24/7, I'm on your Insta pics. Who do you work for? Who put you up to this? You laughed at my jokes 3 times in a row. I pray for your LOL, you sent to LMA. Oh. I pray for the times that you took to wrap me up. Oh. And what do you see in me? Tell me, what do you know? You know the sun owes you just for the way that you go. The air owes you for letting it in your nose. The sand owes you for letting it touch your toes. And I owe you everything just for touching your toes. That real nigga shit. Way you love me, you gotta be out your mind. Way you fuck me, you gotta be out your mind. You look at me like I'm really one of a kind. Is something wrong with your eyes? Are you blind? Are you high? Yeah, you took me in with my flaws and all. Yeah, you gave me something to call a home. You took me in